Hi everyone, welcome back to Yen's Kitchen at Home channel. Today we are diving into one of the simplest yet most comforting dishes in Chinese home cooking, stir-fried tomato and egg, 番茄炒蛋. The dish is tangy, savory, sweet, and it comes together in less than 15 minutes. Whether you are a beginner in the kitchen or just looking for something quick and nourishing, this dish is going to be your new to-go list. Key ingredients will be eggs and tomato. Take 2 tomatoes and place them in the pot of boiling water for about 30 seconds. Until the skin begins to loosen, remove them. Let them cool slightly, then peel off the skin. Chop the peeled tomatoes into small cubes. These will form the base of your fresh tomato paste. Heat the pan over a medium heat. Add decent amount of oil and pour in the eggs. Wait until the eggs begin to firm up. Then slowly push the egg from the side towards the center to scramble them. Then set aside. Start by heating some oil in pan to sauté the garlic. Tossing in the finely chopped peeled tomatoes. Let them cook down until they start forming a thick, chunky paste. Once the base is ready, add the tomato cube and stir in all together. Add the tomato sauce to the pot with the chopped tomatoes. Stir well to combine, then continue cooking to enhance the flavor. Let it simmer for a minute. Allow the sauce to thicken and the flavor to melt. Then season with a little sugar, pinch of salt, and a touch of pepper to balance the sweet and tangy flavors. I like to add little extra water at this stage because my girl loves when the tomato and egg sauce form a delicious island in her bowl of rice. Go ahead and add the egg back into the pan. Give it a gentle stir, letting the egg soak up all the sweet, savory tomato goodness. At the end, add the starch slurry to the tomato and egg mixture in the pan to thicken the sauce before transferring it to the clay pot for serving. Once it's done, I like to transfer everything to a clay pot, especially on the chilly winter days. It keeps the dish warm much longer, which is perfect since my husband has a badminton game tonight after work. That way, it's easy to reheat when he gets back. Just before serving, I top it off with some freshly chopped spring onion. I serve it over a bowl of hot steamed rice, with a special request from my daughter to pour the tangy tomato and egg sauce right on top so it forms a little island on the rice. And there you have it, the ultimate comfort meal. This dish is saucy, fluffy, and the tomato eggs combo is simply unbeatable. My girl told me this dish is so delicious and nutritious. She says she wants to have it at least once a week either with a rice or noodles. Both my little ones are like my personal food critics, always give me their honest opinions. It's really helped me cook in a way that suits my family's taste. If you grew up eating tomato and eggs, I'd love to hear your story. What's your family version like? Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more easy recipes just like this one. And remember to come back for my tomato and egg noodle recipe, which will be coming up very soon. Till then.